Now let us see Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In any right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So here we are given a right triangle. We are taking triangle ABC. At B 90 degrees we are taking. So what we have to prove here? The square of one side, the square of hypotenuse, or AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That we have to prove. This is the given. So we have to prove the square of hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So in any right triangle, the square of one side is always equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So for this we need some construction, that is, let BD perpendicular to AC. Already I drew here BD perpendicular to AC. So either side of the perpendicular two triangles are formed. One is triangle ABD and other is triangle BDC. These two are we are going to prove these two are similar to given triangle ABC. Look here how. Now proof. First you take triangle ADB, triangle ABC. We are taking these two triangles. First one, in these two triangles there is 90 degrees as there. One is here angle ADB is the 90 degrees in triangle ABD. This one, this is 90 degrees. ADB 90 degrees. Their angle ABC. Both are 90 degrees. This is equal to here 90 degrees. Okay. Next one. So one angle is common. Look here what it is. This one. So we can say that angle BAD. Angle BAD is common in both the triangles. The same angle we can see in triangle ABC also, that is angle BAC. And when two pairs of angles are equal, then third pair is also equal. So look here what it is. So here this is angle ABD, third angle, angle ABD equal to, so in this triangle that angle is equal to, in given triangle, ACB. So three pairs of angles are equal, so we can say triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC. AAA similarity theorem. So when two triangles are similar, then we can say ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Therefore we can write AB by AC equal to AD by AB. So we are taking these two pairs, the sides opposite to these two pairs of angles we are taking. For this angle opposite side AB, for this angle opposite side AC, that's why I am writing here AB by AC. Here opposite side for this angle AD, here AB, so AD by AB. So if you do cross multiplication, we get AB square equal to AC into AD. So this is first, you remember that one. Next one, the same thing. Now look here. Now this side triangle, we can take a triangle BDC. Same way we can take triangle BDC and triangle ABC we are taking again. So in triangle BDC also angle BDC 90 degree, similarly angle ABC also 90. Is it? Look here, BDC, this one, this is 90 degrees BDC. The same 90 degrees we can see here also, 90 degrees. So both are equal. Okay. Next one, we can say a common angle here, that is look here, this one, angle BCD. Angle BCD. Angle BCD is we can see the same angle in triangle ABC, that is angle ACB. These two are also equal. Next, when two pairs are equal, then third pair equal, third angle is also equal. So in this triangle, angle DBC, so angle DBC, okay, this is the third angle in this triangle. The same angle we can see here, that is angle BAC. BAC. Therefore, here we can write triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC based on AAA similarity theorem. So here also we can write now ratio of sides are equal. Okay, what are they? Look here, ratio of sides BC by AC BC by AC equal to DC by BC. Okay, so we are taking these two. So opposite side of this angle BC, for this angle opposite side AC, so BC by AC. These two we are taking pair. So for this angle opposite side DC and here BC. Now again do cross multiplication. BC square equal to AC into DC. So this is 2, second one. Now you take these two statements, okay, by doing angle 1 plus angle 2. So what is the left hand side, this side? AB square plus this side, what is the left hand side? BC square equal to this side AC into AD plus AC into DC. Okay, now you go on simplify. Then next step you can write AB square plus BC square equal to, you can take AC as common in these two. So if you take AC as common, we can write AD plus DC. So if you observe the figure, look here, this side same thing you write AB square plus BC square equal to AC. You observe the figure AD plus DC. AD plus DC. Okay, see the figure. AD plus DC. AD plus DC you get AC. Is it? So if you observe the figure, you can write okay, you observe the figure there, AD plus AC, AD plus DC, AD plus DC. What you get? AC. So instead of AD plus DC, we can write AC. Then next step you can write AB square plus BC square equal to AC into AC, you can write AC square. So we can say the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of sum of other two sides. Hence it is proved. Okay. Thank you.